Once upon a noisy playground, there were three little piggies. The three of them fought and argued all day long, and sometimes during snack time. They each wanted to build their own clubhouse, but they could not agree on what to build it with. The first and youngest piggy, Piggy Leia, wanted to build her entire clubhouse out of nothing but straws.
My, these straws are fine.
The second oldest and boldest piggy, Piggetto, wanted to build her clubhouse of nothing but sticks.
Take these sticks. It's the only thing to pick.
The biggest and fattest piggy, Chad, wanted to build his clubhouse out of bricks.
Is it snack time yet? Is it snack time yet?
As they argued about what to use to build their clubhouse, a girl named Little Red Hoodie Two Shoes was skipping by. Hearing them argue, she stopped, turned, and skipped towards them.
Why, little piggies, are you fighting ever so much?
I want to build my clubhouse with straws.
And I want to build my clubhouse with sticks.
Is it snack time yet?
Snack on this. Build your own clubhouses and put it on your fist.
So during recess,
Okay.
the three little piggies got to work and built their own little clubhouses. Little Red Hoodie Two Shoes stayed around for a while, but when she looked to the other side of the playground and saw the big nerdy wolf Jebediah looking that way, she screamed and ran away. Jebediah was watching the piggies building the clubhouses and wanted to join in on the fun. He walked up to the first little piggy's house of straws and knocked on the side.
Oh, Big Elena! Can I come in there and play with you?
Not in a billion years. You're too old and scary, Mr. Wolf.
Why, me? Too old and scary? Why, first of all, my name is Jebediah, and I'm only a little 6 years old. See, I have this terrible cold, and achoo!
The big nerdy wolf accidentally blew down the poor piggy's clubhouse. In tears, the piggy ran to go tell the teacher.
Oh, you're going to be in so much trouble. Oink, 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 oink.
A little sad at having lost a friend, Jebediah the wolf then spotted another clubhouse made of nothing but sticks. He decided to head over there and see if he could play with the piggy.
Oh, Piggetto! Can I come in there and join your awesome clubhouse, pretty please?
Never, you big scary meanie. I saw you. You blew my sister's house down. I saw her cry and run away.
No, see, I can explain. It wasn't on purpose, it was an accident. See, I'm just a little... See, I sneeze.
The entire clubhouse made of sticks was blown away by the wind. The second little piggy was shocked and scared and ran to tell the first one.
Aw, you're gonna be in so much trouble.
The wolf was sad and wanted to explain to everyone that it was only because he was sick that he kept destroying the houses. He wasn't doing it on purpose. He couldn't help it if he had to sneeze. He sat down beneath the tree, sad and tired from all the sneezing.
I know that it's your fault, the little sick, nerdy wolf.
My Atlanta! Rice Krispies covered in brown gravy. Did a tree just talk to me?
That's all he did. You see that other pig over there? You should go play with him. And if you feel like sneezing, hold your nose.
Still surprised that a tree was talking to him, the wolf got up and walked over to the other pig, looking over his shoulder every now and then to make sure that there was actually a tree there.
Oh, little piggy, would you pretty please come play out with me?
Is it snack time?
Snack time?
Maybe this house made me real hungry.
So you're saying, if I make you a sandwich, you come out and play with me?
Sure, but put a lot of pepper on it, make me yum yum for my tum tum.
So the wolf pulled a sandwich and a pepper shaker out of his pocket and started pouring the pepper. As he was pouring, some pepper got in his nose. He started to sneeze, but he closed his nose. Those sneezes burst through his mouth so hard that the brick house rattled and shook. But it didn't fall down. He started to sneeze again, but this time he closed his mouth and his nose. Thinking that he stopped the sneeze, he sighed and moved his hands away from his face. Then he started to puff, and he sneezed and sneezed so hard that it knocked him back. Boom!
Nerd Wolf Jr., get your little fluffy tail over here this
called me. Now there will be no more harming little piggies.
She jerked it backwards, which made him pick up on her pig. She started to sneeze, but she couldn't hold it in. She sneezed a sneeze so loud that it made her son close his ears. It's so loud that the house was all messed up, and all the little piggies sat upset. Little Red Hoodie Two Shoes steps in to help.
Here, take this magic pencil. It'll stop your sneezing. And as for you little piggies, you need to learn how to share instead of being greedy little piggies.
Oh, where can we play? I already blew all the 3 clubhouses away.
Look over here. No need of fear. Let nature be. And play under a tree.